Hi guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft Excel. In this module, I want to have a look at Gaol Seek. And to show you Gaol Seek, I'm going to focus mainly on financial functions. Now on the front screen here, I've got an example of a PMT function, which basically works out how much you have to pay off on a loan, in this case a mortgage. And then I've run the Gaol Seek feature and there is the result. So basically what I want the Gaol Seek to tell me is, in this example, I'm paying this off over 300 payments, this loan, and it's costing me £315. I can't afford that. I can only afford to pay £300. If I only pay £300, what will the impact be on the number of payments? And you can see there it says 352, so an extra 52 payments of 300 I would have to make on this if I wanted to reduce my payments from 315, which is a lot of money. Now let's go through them. Example 2, let's have a look at this. Let's move some of these comment boxes out of the way. So there's the PMT function again, so let's go through it, how you do it. So the PMT function basically has, if I click into the formula, you've got the rate, and you've got to divide it by 12, give you the monthly rate. You've got the number of payments, and then you've got the actual value, present value of the loan. So I'm paying, PMT's come back with 292.75. I want to pay 350, so I'm changing the payment. How is that going to affect the number of payments? So obviously they're going to go down. If I'm paying that off quicker, they're going to go down. Well, hopefully they're going to go down. So Gaol Seek, where is it? It's on the data tab and it's under what if analysis. Gaol Seek. So I'm already in the right place. Set C4 to a value of minus, because it's a payment, 350, by changing cell C2 the number of payments. I click OK and it changes it, so it drops to 165, quite a considerable drop. I can cancel this at this stage or save it or click OK, which is what I'm going to do. So big saving. And if you've never done this on any of your car loans or loans, mortgages, this is a great little tool to see how much you'll save if you just add a few extra pounds on your payment, monthly payments. Now this one is not using a PMT function or using a function at all. So I've got a gross profit of 48,000. I want that to be 56,000. So either sales have got to go up or the cost of sales have got to go down. So let's have a look at this one. In this example, I think F2 is going to go down. Go across to what if, Gaol Seek. So F4 again, I'm in the right place, but to a value of 56,000 by changing cell F2. Okay, so that's dropped that down to 67. Easy said than done, changing cost of sales. This one is back to a financial function, so it's just the other way around. PMT, NPER, number of payments. So in this particular loan, you're paying it off over 59 payments, but you think you can pay it off over 40. If you do, obviously the price you pay is going to go up, but by how much? Let's have a look. Gaol Seek to a value of minus 40 payments by changing cell the PMT amount, payment amount, goes up quite a lot, nearly 200, well, more than £200. But if you can afford it, it's worth doing. You save a lot of money. Now this example over here is, you want to know how much profit you'll get on a sales figure. So basically you've got tea cakes or tea and cakes at 550, that's what you're selling. You want to know how many you've got to sell, and you want to make 90,000. So you're changing this cell and you want the Gaol Seek to give you a figure in there. So let's go and see. Gaol Seek to a value of 90,000 by changing the blank cell C14. Click OK and it comes up with the result. Just click OK to that. So you need to sell 16,000. I'll just round that down. Now let's have a quick look at this little exercise. So it's just to repeat this. So again, you've got that one, you want to pay that over 14 months. So it's back to data, what if analysis, Gaol Seek, to a value of 40 by changing cell payments. So the payments have gone up for that to be 40. So now you want this to use Gaol Seek to calculate the sales if profit was 30,000. So you want that to change to 30,000. Target cell is B8, which is what I'm in, and change of cell is the sales. Gaol Seek. So to a value of 30,000 by changing sales, which is B6. So sales have got to go up to 32,000. And last but not least, you want to make £50,000. How many fish and chips dinners do you need to sell? So again, what if analysis, Gaol Seek. You are to a value of 50,000 by changing cell B15. Okay. So you need to sell 7,000. Okay to that. 7,000. Just drop that down again. 7,246 fish dinners at that price to make £50,000. So that's just a few examples of Gaol Seek. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you on the next one.